Governor Spencer Cox sharing his thoughts on the death penalty ahead of the state's scheduled execution of Ralph Menzies. Menzies' legal team made a request that his life be saved. His special Shelby Lofton explains what attorneys are asking for and how the governor weighed in.
Governor Spencer Cox was asked how he feels about the death penalty now that Ralph Menzies' execution date is scheduled. He says this is a topic he struggles with. Ralph Menzies has been on death row for the murder of a woman for decades. He was convicted of killing 26-year-old mother Maureen Hunsaker back in 1988. This week, his attorneys filed a clemency petition to the Utah Board of Pardons and Parole. They argue he should not be executed because his dementia is worsening, his health is declining, and they point to what they call flaws in the proceedings of his case.
I'm very cautious about the power of the state, especially the power of the state to put people to death.
Governor Cox says he thinks governments make mistakes.
I think the worst mistake we could ever make is to put someone to death who was perhaps innocent.
He says it's clear both Menzies and Tabor and Honey, who was executed last August, were guilty.
And as you talk to those who suffered and the heinous nature of these crimes, I believe that there probably are circumstances where it is still warranted.
Menzies' attorneys are asking the state to commute his death sentence to life without the possibility of release. In Utah, the governor doesn't have the power to pardon or commute sentences.
There is a reason that most states do have that power. There's a reason the president of the United States, although I believe it's been abused by every president in recent memory. And so I think it's a mistake to allow unfettered discretion, and it can lead to abuse and favors being done.
The governor says he's relieved he doesn't have the power to pardon people, but he says he could see the benefits of having the ability to do so in some circumstances. Now, as for Menzies, he and his team have a competency hearing scheduled for next Wednesday, and his execution is set for September 5th. In Salt Lake City, Shelby Lofton, KSL 5 News.
Shelby, thank you.